overnight cues will have an impact on our own markets, and we have domestic cues as well to cater to. We have our research team joining in to tell you just that. What is the trade setup looking like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and the action from the F&O space as well. Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rima, let me come across to you first up. What is the market setup looking like today?
Well, there could be some caution that you would see, in the global markets. U.S. markets also ended lower. The Dow was down nearly 1%. There are worries about the U.S. debt ceiling. So maybe the traders just take a step back, watch the developments. Plus, there was some disappointing retail sales coming out of U.S. The guidance from Home Depot also weighing on the sentiment. Crude prices too have slumped. There's weaker than expected Chinese data. We'll talk more about it, but Brent crude prices are now closer to $70 per barrel mark. For the Indian markets as well, we saw that crack in the last, 1.5 hour of trade, so closer to about 2 p.m. But it picked up in the last 30 minutes, perhaps on account of the Nifty expiry. But we saw that slump in the markets in the last, 1.5 hour, and the Nifty by the close of trade was down close to about 0.6%. In terms of flows, the DII sold 886 crore. The inflows by the FIs continue. Yesterday, they bought close to about 1,400 crore in the cash market. Lots of individual stocks, we will be talking about reacting to numbers, but the big ones to watch today will be Thermax, REC, Whirlpool. Back to you.
All right, important numbers there. So some stocks that Rima spoke about. Let me go across to Surbhi, who will list out the other stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Surbhi.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for that. So today on my radar is Bharti Airtel. It was a miss on the revenue front, but a beat on the margins front. The revenue was up 0.6% at 36,000 odd crores, and the average revenue per user was flat at 193 rupees. Next is Metropolis. The numbers were lower than estimates. The revenue was down 8% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA came in at 70 crores and margins came in at 25%. LIC Housing Finance, the disbursements were down 17% on a year-on-year basis, and the net interest margin came in at 2.93%. Credit Access Grameen, it was a strong quarter. Sequentially, gross NPA came in at 1.21% versus 1.71%, and the PAT was up 86% on a year-on-year basis at 298 crores. VMart, the revenue was up 30%, but the losses widened to 37 crores versus a loss of 2.6 crores. And lastly, Amber Enterprises, the revenue was up 55%, EBITDA was up 62%, and the margins came in at 6.8% versus 6.5% same time last year.
Okay, Surbhi and Rima, thank you so much for joining us. That's our Power Prep segment today.